Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Balmain sunglasses, model BPS-129B. The color of the frame is dark blue crystal, and the glasses are an oval shape. These glasses are also made out of titanium, and the lenses are dark gray gradient, and they have a gold trimming around the lens. On its left lens, you'll find the Balmain B emblem engraved in the lens. The temples of the frame are blue, and you'll find the Balmain B emblem in gold on its temple. On its temple tip is the Balmain logo as well. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. On its nose pads is the Balmain logo in silver. The nose pads are gold. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the model name, the model number, and the color code of the frame, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the Balmain Paris logo and the dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 142 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Balmain Paris gift box, a Balmain case with the Balmain B on the front of the case, and the Balmain Paris logo in gold on the inside of the case, a Balmain Paris cleaning cloth, a Balmain booklet, and two Balmain authenticity cards. And this card is Gold Mirror limited edition card. And it also comes with a Balmain Paris dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.